Hello everyone, and a quick fix Friday from me today is going to be a little bit different. It's a bit of an admin one. I bought a set of pads and discs for the rear brakes on my Vauxhall Insignia, and I fitted them in February of last year, so February 2023. We're in the start of March. It's the 1st of March today, 2024. I've done about 15,000 miles on those pads and discs, and they're down to the wear indicator already, and the wear indicator's actually put a score into the disc on one of the sides. That's not very good wear from a set of discs and pads, especially on the rear, because they shouldn't wear too quickly, and the fronts are absolutely fine as well, and the brakes are all balanced. There's no issues. So bit miffed about that, and I had a quick look, and I thought I had a guarantee on them, and I do. I've got a 2-year guarantee up to 24,000 miles, so that's brilliant. It's on the Eicher, I think it's set, premium range at Halfords. So I've just popped into Halfords today. Really helpful, the local team to me in Solihull on the Sears retail park, so big props and shout out to them. They've never had to deal with a warranty claim on these before, so I don't think it is that they're dodgy. I just think I've been unlucky with the set I've bought. So I've been in, I've spoken with Lee and the team on the front desk, and they've raised a claim with their warranty team, and they reckon they'll provide me a new set of discs and pads. I'll swap them over and bring them back the old ones, which, you know, for my money is really good value. So that's brilliant. I mean, I've had a good year's use. You know, it's quite high mileage for a year. It's not outrageous, but it's quite high mileage for a year's use. And actually, to be able to stick new pads and discs on, particularly when I'm thinking about getting rid of the car anyway, is a massive bonus. So it just goes to show, keep hold of your paperwork, keep things organised, and just keep an eye on when you change things and what you change, because if you've got a warranty and you can get a claim, and it's going to save you a bit of cash. Hope that's helpful. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.